friends, this is the, sixth tips, that is shadow practicing. What's that? Shadow practicing is one of the most effective methods. Okay, you can say most effective technique for learning spoken English. It's a repeat and listen and repeating method. First you listen, then you repeat. This is called shadow practice. Nowadays you will find various AI and various institutions, those who have been helping for shadow practicing. I'm giving you an idea what's shadow practicing. Okay, welcome to my channel English Spheres, and if you think it is helpful, please share it and subscribe it. Okay, I have just newly opened, and gradually I think my channel will be covering every aspects of communicative English as well as corporate training. Okay, so please support me. I'll be thankful to you and let you be beneficial. Okay, because I'm not charging, I have no course. Whatever I have done throughout my life, I will just keep an essence of those things and I will share with you so that it helps you. Now, shadow practicing is listen and repeat method. Don't do delay. Listen and just give 2 to 5 seconds and start, repeating that speech. You can follow audio, any speech or video, but I think audio will be the best for shadow practicing because video distracts. So if you are serious, you should be very careful about audio. First you listen, then you start repeating. Okay, and this include or it helps to improve your pronunciations, rhythm, accent of English. Actually, shadow practicing is a bigger part, but I can divide it into various sections like accent, pronunciation drill, okay, intonation. So beforehand you know what's shadow practice, and I will come with you, for you, to you, one by one part of the shadow practicing. Okay, so once again, shadow practicing helps to pronounce you properly, gives accent, gives you intonation. I'll come with intonation later on. So please go for shadow practicing. Along with that, follow me so that I can help you. Bye bye, my friends or students. Have a nice time with you again.